This video shows how to add the extension for Grid View in Google Meets. The first thing that you need to do is go to the Chrome Web Store. I think you have an app on your Chromebook that looks like this up in the corner, and you can click on that. If not, open a new tab on the internet, and I just in Google typed Web Store, and this popped up. Once you're at the Chrome Web Store, click on Extensions. In the search, do Grid View. And then you're looking for Google Meet Grid View Fix. It's important that it has the word fix in the title. Google Meet Grid View Fix. You will have a button that says Add to Chrome, so you will click on Add to Chrome. Now the hard part is, or not hard, but you won't be able to tell if Grid View is working until you're actually in a Google Meet. So after you add the extension, once you're in our class meeting, up here is the grid. And it should not have a line through it. So that means your grid is off. So it should not have a line through it. Once you click on it, check the boxes, include yourself in the grid, and then enable Grid View by default. That way that anytime you sign into a Google Meet, Grid View is up and running. I can't show you what Grid View looks like right now because I'm the only person in this Google Meet. But you'll add the extension, and then the next time you're in the meeting, you'll be able to enable the Grid View.